It can be tricky to recognize when a woman wants you in bed, because the signs are often subtle and complex, easily missed unless you know what to look for. From the way her eyes linger on yours to the light touch of her hand or how she leans in when you talk, each gesture carries a message. These aren't just casual actions, they're her way of letting you know she's interested. Today, we'll break down these signals to help you spot the clear signs a woman shows when she's attracted to you. So, without further ado, like and subscribe, and let's dive in. One. She sends you selfies. When she sends you selfies, it's not just a random snapshot. It's a personal gesture, inviting you into her world. These aren't just any pictures, they're often taken with a little extra effort, as if she's saying, "Here's a glimpse of my life, and I want you to be a part of it." Each selfie is a subtle hint, a way of creating a visual connection and showing that she wants to be noticed by you. 2. She finds reasons to touch you. Perhaps she lightly brushes your hand as she laughs or gently touches your arm while making a point. These touches are rarely coincidental. When a woman is attracted to you, these subtle gestures are her way of testing your response to her closeness. They aren't overtly sexual, but they carry an unspoken intimacy, each touch like a question, a way of saying, "I'm comfortable with you and want to see if you feel the same." 3. She shares personal stories and secrets. When your conversation shifts from casual to more personal, it's a significant moment. She may start opening up about her dreams, experiences, or even secrets she wouldn't typically share with just anyone. This level of vulnerability is a way for her to build intimacy and trust, indicating that she sees you as someone special, someone she could be close to on a deeper level. 4. She finds ways to mention she's single. When a woman mentions her relationship status, it's not just casual conversation, it's a hint. By subtly slipping in that she's single, she's letting you know that she's open to the possibility of something beyond friendship. It's an invitation, a way of making sure you're aware that the opportunity for a more intimate connection exists. 5. She wants to sit next to you. Whether you're at a bar, a friend's party, or a casual group outing, if she consistently chooses to sit near you, it's intentional. This isn't about convenience, it's a clear indication of her interest. By sitting close, she's breaking down physical barriers and creating space for deeper, more personal conversations. Her actions speak louder than words. Sitting next to you is a way for her to say you've caught her attention. 6. She teases you. When your conversation turns playful, and she starts teasing you, it's not just friendly banter, it's flirtation. Teasing is her way of creating a unique, intimate dynamic between the two of you. It's about building a connection that's engaging, fun, and subtly charged with attraction, showing that she's comfortable with you and wants to see if you can match her energy. 7. She's smiling a lot. Notice her smile when you first meet. It's not just any smile. This kind of persistent, genuine smile that she can't seem to hide is a strong sign of attraction. It's spontaneous, filled with warmth and delight, and a reflection of her excitement in your presence. These smiles are her way of showing how much she's enjoying the interaction and hinting at her deeper interest. 8. Her body language. Is she leaning in, maintaining eye contact, and orienting her body toward you? These are not just casual cues. When a woman is interested, her body language becomes more engaged and open, leaning in to close the gap between you. Sustained eye contact draws you into the conversation, while her body alignment signals that her focus is on you, not just in a friendly way, but with a deeper, possibly romantic intent. 9. She has many reasons to text you. If she finds multiple reasons to text you throughout the day, asking about your day, your interests, or even your favorite things, it's a deliberate attempt to connect. These messages go beyond small talk, they're a way of building intimacy. She's piecing together parts of your life through each text, wanting to stay connected and be part of your world, even from afar. This isn't just casual communication, it's a sign she's invested in you and interested in exploring where things could go. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.